up, everybody? It's DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all, on this little cool evening out here. As you can see, I got the hood up on the Nissan, y'all. Went to the store yesterday and just happened to notice one of my parking lights wasn't on, and it was just right here. So, I had to go stop by the shop, the auto parts place, and get a little replacement bug. So let's check it out right quick. Alright, you see that light is on inside, but that one is clearly out. So yeah. Had to get out here and figure this out right quick. So now, just to let y'all know, I've never changed the parking light bulb on this car since I had it. So it'll be a little interesting just to see what I gotta go through, but it don't look like it's gonna be that bad. Get my little light on over here. There we go. Now we got some light. So I went to AutoZone and had them look up the bulbs for this car right here. So they told me they didn't have any more regular ones in stock for this Nissan. So what they had was they sold me these right here. So these are the amber color ones, the LEDs. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving these a little try right here. That's pretty much what all the bulbs are going to anyway, pretty much, going to the LEDs, so hey. But this is the part number right here at the top. This is for a Nissan Versa. Mine is a 2015, so I'm pretty sure it'll work on a 14, 16, 17, 18, probably. I'm pretty sure same thing. So I'm going to figure out how we take this bulb out. And it looks like it's, let's see, it's on the side somewhere back up in there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's on the side up in there. So I gotta reach back up in there on that side and try and get that out. Okay, I got it. Let me see. Put some more light on this side over there. Alright. Trying to shine a little light so I can show y'all exactly where I'm pulling from. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's like right up in here. Well, y'all can't see it, but here's the wire, and it's going straight to it, so it is reachable. Just gotta get my hand in here and let's see, make a little turn, I think. Not too sure, but hey. We're gonna figure this thing out. Let's see. I think you can twist this and turn it. Not too sure. Let me see how this works. Like it's just a regular plug down there, if you ask me. Trying to see if I can get this, because like I said, this is the first time I ever tried to change one out on this. I think there's a release tab behind here. That's what it feels like back there. Now, you know what I might have to end up doing? Most likely, I probably have to end up probably pulling the whole housing out. Yeah, I might have to end up doing that. Probably pop this right here, take that off, and probably remove that bolt right there. And that looked like I should be able to probably pull that out of there. Yep, that's what it looked like. Let me see. Okay, this is the top of the light fixture here. So it just goes to that. So, I might have to do that. Might have to, but hey, I'm trying to do it while it's right up in between now. Yep, that's what I probably gotta do. Even though you can reach your hand up in there, but it still takes a little bit to get down up in there, back behind it. So, well, let me get my tools and let me see what's going on here, y'all. Try to see if I can get this off. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So, I had to pause for a little bit. So, come to find out, they actually sold me the wrong light for my side marker here for my car. So this is what the light housing look like right here. They actually call it a light holder. And here's the plug right here. So it actually goes in like back up in that little spot there. I know you can't see it, but that way it goes up in there. So you have to pretty much twist this whole housing out of there. And I can tell you, it was pretty hard to get to for, trying to get enough grip to the connector where you can actually press that down and release it and then pull it. So it was pretty tight up in there. So, but hey, I finally worked with it and got it out of there. So this is the correct bulbs that they sold me right here. So these are the new LEDs for that. So hey, we're about to try this out and see if this works now. I know they say it's supposed to be the right one, but hey, look, with these parts you can never be too sure. Let's see. And the only way that I really noticed that the side marker light was out when I had remote started my car, and I noticed that the light wasn't on. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm like, what's going on here? So yep. Cause when you remote start your car, your parking lights come on. That's pretty much like your indicator letting you know that your car is running, depending on what type of system you got. Or you might have the one with the LED, what you call it, the LED little remote with the little screen on it. Alright, so this is what it looks like here. So this is the bulb. Alright, so let's see. This fits. Hey, perfect. There we go. All right. we in there. Alright, so here's the part number here. This is for the 2015 Nissan Versa. I'm pretty sure it'll work with the 16, 17, and 18 model also. So that's it right there. Alright, let's get this bad boy plugged in. Let's see what it do. Since pretty much all the light bulbs are heading towards that way anyway, going LED. This is going to fit. Okay, going like that. Alright, that's how it's going like that. Alright. So I'm gonna plug it up. And before I put it back in the housing, I'm gonna turn the light on just to make sure that it's working. Alright, we lit, y'all. We in good shape. Alright, back in business with it. That's what I'm talking about. Now, should I go in with it like that? Yeah. What the heck? Let's go for it. Shoot. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yep, try and get it on up in there. A tight little spot, but hey, we gonna get it. Okay, where we at? There we go. Got it. A little turn. Boom. There we go. So you push it in. So you push it in there, and a little turn to the right, and it's back together. See, it's back up in there. Like I said, I know you can't really see it. I'm talking about it. Let's try it one more time. Make sure we got it. Ain't nothing but a little maintenance, y'all. That's about it. Just a little maintenance. And that's the driver's side. Yep, okay, there we go, it's on. Alright, in good shape, y'all. Just looks a little different because this is a yellow bulb, they didn't have it in the white one. So that's down, huh? Alright, we good to go, y'all. So that's it. Cut this off. Alright. That is done. Now, you know, at first I was thinking that I was gonna have to take out my whole headlight assembly just to get to it, but I was like, nah, I didn't feel like going through all that. Simply because I would have to take, pretty much unbutton this whole front end of the grill, and then pull it forward, pretty much drop it down and unsnap it from that side just to get to, I think it's a bolt or something back behind there. And of course you had this bolt up here, but I ain't feel like doing all that. So I worked at it and worked at it till I got that through. So hey, it's in there, it's working. So that is it, y'all. I am finished. About to put this little lamp up and get on back inside, cause it is a little chilly out here. So hey, look, I appreciate all my subscribers out there, all my old ones and my new ones. Appreciate it. Look, make sure y'all hit that notification button so every time I launch a video, hey, look, you'll know that it's coming on, y'all. So, and as far as project goes, I got a few more coming up, especially on the truck here. I got some ideas for it. I'm gonna check with the missus and see what she wanna do. You know, cause that's pretty much our daily weekend driver right there. So I'm gonna see what she wanna do with it. If she give me the green light, then hey, look, I'm gonna put some ideas together for it and get the rolling. But other than that, hey, I am finished. So look, like I said, I'm gonna put this light up. Glad I ain't had to pull too many tools out. And that's a wrap, y'all. So hey, look, appreciate it. Hey, look, I am out. Check y'all on the next one.